Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making some onion powder with some of these onions. To make this, I will start by peeling off the skin of the onions. I'm done peeling off the skin. The next step is to wash the onions so that we can wash out these black bits on it. After washing the onions, the next step is to slice or grate them. I'm going to use the slicing method. I'm done slicing the onions. Our next step now is to sun dry the onions, and this is going to take about 2 days before you can get well dried to be able to grind them. This is the second day of sun drying the onions. They are well dried now, but they changed color. If you have the hydrator, this is the best method of drying it. Or you can equally use their oven to dry it, but use your lowest heat of the oven. So our next step now is to put it in our grinder and grind. And here we have our onions powder. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and also share the video. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. Take care. Love you all. Bye bye.